Let me quickly bring in Poulomi Saha for the latest. Poulomi, this appears to be a very, very carefully hatched conspiracy. Look at the number of murders that are taking place. Look at the precision with which they're taking place. What is the police doing just now? Do they have any suspects?
Well, as far as their suspects are concerned, in this particular case, they are Ankit and Mandeep. They are the prime suspects, no doubt about it. These two guys have been missing since the time of first the double murder and then the murder of Shobha. So they are the prime two suspects. But the police is also saying at the same time that they are not the only suspects in this particular case. There are more than two suspects that the police are trying to sort of work their way through and understand who had what role to play. They're not willing to divulge much details of the investigation because their teams are out there looking for these two people and possibly more further leads, and they don't want to jeopardize their investigation. Gaurav?
Okay. It's also being said that this is a race against time. The murderers are still out there somewhere. There is another sister. She left the family. She married against the will of her parents and the family. She's somewhere in the hiding. So this is a race against time to save that sister and her husband.
Absolutely. There's in fact more than one couple really in this particular instance who are in danger really. It's Khushbu and her husband Ravi, definitely, because it was their case that in some sense got Shobha killed because Mandeep, Shobha's brother, believed that Shobha had first eloped and in some sense set a wrong trend for Khushbu eventually to go elope and marry Ravi. So she is in some anonymous place right now that the police is aware of and is in constant touch with her, checking on her safety. There is Shobha's boyfriend of earlier whom she had eloped with, Raja, who is said to be a Muslim boy. His life could be under threat as well. And there's also the cousin, Monika's cousin as well, who eloped and got married, for which Monika and her husband got killed because yesterday when they were found dead by Ankit, Monika's brother, and Mandeep, possibly they could be the murderers. It was what was said was because Monika had in some sense influenced and set a wrong trend 4 years ago by eloping and getting married outside of the community, which her cousin very recently followed and did exactly the same thing. So two couples and one young gentleman in the line of fire really.
Literally in the line of fire. Now the way we look at it, this is a very carefully hatched plan and hatched over a period of time, because Monika and Kuldeep, the young couple who were murdered on Sunday, who were found murdered on Sunday, they'd left this locality, they started living elsewhere, but they were called back. They were lured in, so to say, and then killed. So this is a much bigger, a much wider conspiracy than perhaps just two youngsters who are running around with a gun in their hand.
Well, there is no doubt about the fact that, you know, these Monika's family and Mandeep's family, Monika's family especially after she got married 4 years ago, against the wishes of the family, they have been bearing this grudge against her for the longest time possible. Yes, 5 months ago they met with Kuldeep's family at a wedding, and at that wedding they convinced the couple to come back and live closer to Wazirpur village from where Monika was really. So they moved 5 months ago to Ashok, Bihar. So that is something which is a little suspicious about why they did that suddenly. Did they really have a change of heart, or were they planning something more? But what we hear also from sources is that Ankit and Mandeep very recently had an argument really about, you know, where they were laughing over each other, and Mandeep said, look at your sister, you know, she eloped and married outside the community. He said, well, what about your sister? You have two sisters who eloped and brought dishonor to your family. And this got into a bit of a tiff, and then what happened was what we see now. A couple killed, then this sister killed who allegedly set the wrong trend as well. So an argument which completely awry.
Okay, this is something which is very, very scary. Keep tracking the story, Poulomi. We will come back to you for the latest on this extremely scary trend which appears to be on the rise.